Don't forget to watch this video if you're planning to buy Moto Edge 50 Pro, because in this video I'll tell you 3 serious problems that some users are facing on this phone. Moto Edge 50 Pro is great for its new design, its 144Hz refresh rate display and its new 125W fast charging, but because of poor optimization of its hardware including Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, this phone is having many serious problems, and I am sure that the new Moto Edge 50 Fusion will also have these issues. The first problem that I'm going to talk about is lagging issue. Whenever you're using the phone, you can see lags here and there in the software. This can be a software issue, so we'll have to wait till new software update to see whether it's getting fixed or not. The second problem that I'm going to talk about is hanging problem. Whenever you're using the phone continuously or for heavy duty apps, the phone hangs and becomes unresponsive like this. It seems like the UFS 2.2 internal storage is not able to match with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor speed, because of which the phone is hanging like this. The third problem that I'm going to talk about is camera lag issue on Moto Edge 50 Pro. Whenever you're using the camera app to take a photo and see it immediately, the camera app lags like this. Also, when you're trying to close or minimize the camera app to go to home screen, it lags again. It seems like software issue, but whenever the phone is hot, it seems like this issue keeps on happening again and again. And also sometimes the camera does not save the photos that you take when the phone is hot. So the 50 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel telephoto camera and 30 megapixel ultra-wide camera gets useless because of software problems with the camera app. Let's hope that Moto Edge 50 Pro new software updates will fix these problems. If you have anything else to add, don't forget to mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.